everyone, I'm here to bring you another life-changing opportunity. So imagine you are studying in one of the most beautiful countries in the world. I know, right? That country is called Ireland. Now, without worrying about your tuition fee or living costs, you would be able to study in Ireland for free through the opportunity I'm going to be talking about in today's video. Now, let me show you exactly how you can make this dream a reality. So buckle up and let's dive into today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you about the scholarship which the government of Ireland has provided, and it is called the Government of Ireland International Scholarship. This scholarship is your ticket to studying in Ireland for free. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box for you to read further. The scholarship opportunity I am referring to is in one of the most beautiful countries in the world, and this country that we are going to be talking about is called Ireland. Now, the scholarship opportunity is given by the government of Ireland, and it is termed the Government of Ireland International Scholarship. Yes, it is possible for you to study in Ireland without paying any tuition fees, and I'm going to be telling you about this amazing opportunity today. So sit back and watch till the end. I've got tips, but you have to watch till the end of the video to find out what the tips are. The Government of Ireland International Scholarship is designed for non-European Union students like yourself. So if you are from Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Zimbabwe, India, any of those countries, this opportunity is for you. It is your golden ticket to study in Ireland for free while you are being paid. Yes, you will be getting living stipends while you are in the country. And I'm going to be telling you what these entails, how you would apply for this opportunity, the eligibility criteria, every information that you need to be aware of. We will talk about it today. So while you are studying in one of the top Irish universities in Ireland, what you will get with this opportunity is free tuition. So you're not paying for your school fees. Whatever it is that you'll be doing, you will not pay for school fees. You will get about 10,000 euros while you are in the country, as well as your relocation expenses. It will be covered and sorted out for you as well. This sounds amazing, right? So let's talk about how you can qualify for this opportunity. So now let's break down the eligibility criteria. One thing that you need to meet is that you must reside outside of the EU, EEA, Switzerland, and the UK. Has God not answered your prayer? I mean, if you are staying abroad, if you're not staying in either of these countries, it is you that they are looking for. So ensure that you make good use of this opportunity. Meanwhile, leave it in the comment section and tell me where it is that you're watching this video from. If you are outside of the EU, Switzerland, UK, let us know in the comment section. If you have received the scholarship before, you are not eligible to apply for it again. So it's a once in a lifetime opportunity. If you had, give people the room to be able to enjoy this privilege that you have. So another criteria that you have to meet is you have to get this opportunity once and not multiple times. Another criteria that you have to meet is you need proof of admission into one of the universities. So you cannot apply for scholarship first before getting admission to school. You need to get admission to school first before you can apply for the scholarship. So after you have gotten your admission, you can start gathering all of your documents and everything that you need to apply for the scholarship. What we're going to be talking about next is how you will apply for this opportunity. Now, applying for this opportunity is very simple. All you have to do is go on Google and type Government of Ireland International Scholarship Program. The first link that you would see would be what you have to click on. So you have to click on the Higher Education Authority link and then go through the page. When you click on the link, you have to follow the instructions that you would see there. Prepare your application, download everything that you need to download, and upload the document as well. Now, there is more. That's not all you need. You would need strong references, and your references would have to say that you are good, your communication skill is great, you have the experience for this opportunity that you are applying for, and it has to be in English as well. So if you have any document that is not in English, it has to be translated to English and it has to be notarized as well. So ensure that you are not uploading anything that they cannot read. Please translate it before uploading. So a lot of people will be asking, why Ireland? Why should I go and study in Ireland? Well, Ireland is a stunning place for you to live. It is home to world-class universities like University College of Dublin, University of Galway, University of Limerick, University College Cork, and it is close to the UK as well. So you're very, very close to the country where a lot of people would like to stay. You can come visiting as well. And studying here in Ireland can open doors to career opportunities across Europe. So even if you don't want to stay back in Ireland after your studies, you have an edge because you can move to other European countries. Ireland is known for its vibrant tech, business, and healthcare industries, giving you a global edge. So you have up until March 2025 to submit your applications, but you don't want to wait up to the last minute before you put in your applications. So ensure that you start your applications now. Don't wait till when it is time for the applications to close before you start being in a hurry to say you want to apply. Early preparation is key to standing out. So what you have to do is research universities, secure your admission, and put in your strong application. To give you the best shot at winning the scholarship opportunity, I'm going to give you some tips that would enable you to stand out when you are applying for this opportunity. So tip number one, you need to apply to multiple Irish universities to maximize your chances. Number two, you need to get strong references that clearly highlight your skills and your achievements. And then number three, thoroughly read the frequently asked question that is on the Higher Education Authority's website and the guidelines that they have given, so that you're not just applying and you are doing your own thing. You need to go through what they have told you, read through the lines, and ensure that you follow every protocol that they have set. And remember, there is no age limit or IELTS requirement, so ensure nothing is holding you back. Shoot your shot and shoot it to the fullest. Now that you know everything, what are you waiting for? The only way you can achieve this opportunity is if you act on it. So ensure that you do not just watch this video and do not implement. Put it to practice. Start the application process now. Do leave it in the comment section and tell me if you are going to be shooting your shots with this, if you are going to be sharing it to your friends and family members. Yes, please do share it, because you don't want to benefit from this opportunity alone. You want your friends and family members to benefit as well. So do share it to them. Like the video, share it, subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. And thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed so far. God bless you.